Hiya, hope you enjoy this video now. What I'm going to do, okay, like I promised, I'm going to show you now the tools where you can use one part of this project in a system where it's a training system for blogging, marketing, if you name it, you've got it here, okay? So what I'll do is show you now what we've got step by step, show you the plugins and the themes, then I show you my website, and then I go on then to the marketing, okay? So I'm not going to hide anything. I'm not sure if you heard this, my Lead System Pro. What we have here, okay, is themes, plugins, advanced techniques to your blog. We have different themes here. All plugins, most plugins, they'll show you step by step how to add them to your website, PDF, videos, for everything you need to start you off to creating a great website. What I liked about this, I used to have my own website. I transferred it to MLSP because it's a safe server and everything is up to date all the time. Don't have to worry about anything, okay? So what I'll do now, I'll show you the desktop, okay? My desktop, dashboard, sorry. There it goes now. It's not working doing that. Oh, here comes, sorry if it's slow. Right, so you've got post, plugin, media, page, comments. You should know about this, okay? Plugins now they will cost hundreds of pounds, hundreds, thousands of pounds, okay? This one now, so these are ones that got active on my blog. I got up to 42, I think it's 50 odd plugins where you can use on your website. The contact form, Facebook, like Facebook comment plugin, Burner, Genesis, Google Analytics. When you got videos, and you get at the end of the video, and you get other videos spam it, well, you hide it then by using this plugin. It's really good. Call to action, these now are brilliant, because if you want to attract people to the leads, okay, to your blog, easy drag and drop, okay? So you've got all these plugins here, unbelievable, okay? And also on quick links, I can spend hours on this. So I just check appearance, the themes, okay? So you get the outline. I've got the DV theme, okay? Also I got these outstanding, very beautiful themes you can use, okay? All these, and they're all free with the system. Beautiful. You've got quite a bit of different ones, okay? And these cost, as you know, you've got your own, it's cost about £80 to £100 per theme, and you can swap around. So I go to my blog now. I'm still working on it. Now you got a landing page, okay? Facebook group. This is unbelievable. And I was talking about the MLSP call to action. You put it on your end to attract leads, okay? Simple and clean. It's really good, my personal view, okay? And then what it does then, you got all that, and then you got the trainings then to help you market your brand and your company online. Okay, you got system campaigns, all is trained here, funnelizer. What you do, okay, you give away these free, huge value, all these leads I've got, to get people in here when you talk about your business. And it's training and your training library. It's right, step by step. You got attraction marketing, target marketing, mindset. These tools, it shows you step by step what to do each day. Campaigns, customer data, weekly marketing webinars each week. Then you got blogging, Facebook challenge, Facebook Live, very good. Twitter, social media marketing, Instagram. How to create your booked giveaway for traveling, like give tips on traveling. Okay, how to do it, how to market on Facebook, retargeting. There's a lot to do, but don't be overwhelmed, because beautiful training. Okay, so that's just a quick outline of what the system does. I personally, it's helped me brand my business really good. So obviously I'm bound, but it's totally up to you. And if you like come aboard, I will help you set up your website as well. I'll help you where to get the graphics from, how to do it on cheap side. So if you want to try all of this, it's $10. Nothing. I mean, if you don't want to do it, you can have money back. Okay, so hope that gives you an outline. I can go through so much. Okay, it's really good. And also, sorry, you got this software as well, where you get all the leads. Okay, and follow up is amazing. Okay, so I don't keep you so long, sorry, but have a look at that. Let me know when I'm going to chat further on then what can we do and help you get your traveling website up and running, and also when how to market that travel website to go forward in your business. Okay, so hope you can understand my Welsh accent, and speak to you soon. Ta-ra.